If you are looking for an AI tool that can generate and edit images in real time, you have probably come across KREA.ai. But is it actually worth using? In this video, I will cover everything you need to know about KREA.ai or KREA.ai, including its main features, pros, cons, pricing, and who it's best for. And for now, let's get started. What is KREA.ai? KREA.ai is an AI-powered creative platform designed for generating, editing, and enhancing images and videos. Unlike many AI tools that generate an AI image and make you wait for results, KREA focuses on real-time creation. You can adjust prompts, shapes, colors, and compositions while seeing changes happen instantly. It's popular among designers, content creators, marketers, and digital artists who want more control over AI-generated content. Key features: real-time AI image generation. One of KREA's standout features is real-time image generation. As you type prompts or modify elements on the canvas, the AI updates the results instantly. This makes the creative process much faster compared to traditional AI image generators. AI image enhancement. KREA includes an upscaling feature that can improve image quality and increase resolution. This is useful when you need sharper visuals for presentations, social media, websites, or print projects. Image editing tools. You can modify existing images using AI-powered editing tools. This includes changing styles, replacing objects, adjusting backgrounds, and refining specific areas without needing advanced editing tools. AI video generation. KREA also offers AI generation capabilities, allowing users to create short video clips from prompts or transform images into animated content. This feature is especially useful for content creators and marketers looking to produce visual content quickly. Multiple AI tools. The platform supports various AI models, giving users flexibility to experiment with different artistic styles and outputs from a single interface. Pros: easy to use. The interface is clean and beginner friendly. Even users with little design experience can start creating content quickly. Real time workflow. The instant feedback system helps speed up brainstorming and content creation. High quality outputs. KREA can generate visually impressive images suitable for professional and personal projects. Versatile platform. It supports image generation, editing, enhancement, and video curation in one place. Great for creative exploration. The platform makes it easy to test ideas, styles, concepts without spending hours on manual editing. Cons: learning curve for advanced features. While the basics are simple, mastering all the creative controls may take some time. Output quality can vary. Like any AI generator, results depend heavily on the prompts and settings you use. Resource limitations on free plans. Some advanced features and higher usage limits may require a paid subscription. Video features still evolving. While useful, some video generation tools may not be as mature as dedicated AI video platforms. Pricing: KREA offers a free plan that allows users to test the platform and explore its core features. For heavier usage, faster generations, higher limits, and access to premium tools, paid plans are available. Pricing may change over time, so it's always a good idea to check the official website for the latest plans. Who is KREA.ai best for? KREA.ai is a great choice for content creators, graphic designers, digital artists, marketing teams, creative professionals who want faster visual content creation. If you regularly work with images and need AI assisted design tools, KREA can significantly improve your workflow. Final verdict and conclusion. So is KREA.ai worth it? For most creators, the answer is yes. Its biggest strengths are real-time image generation, easy-to-use interface, image enhancement tools, and growing video capabilities. While advanced users may occasionally encounter limitations, KREA offers an impressive balance between speed, quality, and creative control. If you are looking for an AI platform that helps you generate, edit, and enhance visual content quickly, KREA.ai is definitely worth trying. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.